Well, we're learning new details about the investigation into the shooting of a teacher by a 6-year-old student at a Virginia elementary school last year. The prosecutor says they're missing documents that could answer questions about whether school officials did enough to protect their students.
The lapses in security were appalling and should never have happened. That is incumbent upon all of us to look at systems and make sure that they are safe.
Now, this all comes after the first court hearing for former assistant principal Ebony Parker. She was indicted by a grand jury on 8 counts of felony child neglect tied to what the indictment calls her lack of action on that day. NBC News reporter Julia Jester has the very latest for us. Julia, what are we learning from today's hearing and the prosecution, what they've said?
Well, Vicki, defendant Ebony Parker was in attendance, but we didn't hear much from her. She has not yet entered a plea. We did learn the next court hearing will be May 17th to set a trial date. The most interesting details from the prosecution emerged after the hearing during a press conference. Commonwealth's attorney Howard Gwynn called the report at times, quote, brutally honest, and said he was appalled by the events leading up to the shooting. Gwynn revealed that even though the grand jury's work has wrapped, the investigation is ongoing, with particular concern about missing documents related to the child's past problematic behavior and disciplinary action. In its report, the grand jury called on Gwynn's office to further investigate possible obstruction of justice. But due to the 1-year statute of limitations, it's unclear if additional charges could be brought against other administrators. The school board said in a statement today it has, quote, implemented a number of positive changes and will continue to do so in the future. The safety of students and staff remain a top priority for the school board. So Gwynn stressed that there was good news out of the report, and that was the recommendations for moving forward. Vicki?
Julie, what about Abby Zwerner? She's the teacher who was shot, fortunately survived. She has a $40 million civil lawsuit against the Newport News School Board and its former superintendent. What's the latest on that case?
Yeah, Vicki, this lawsuit is separate from the 8-count indictment against Ebony Parker. And Abigail Zwerner is seeking $40 million in damages. And the school board attorneys are now appealing to the Virginia State Supreme Court, arguing that workers' compensation does apply here. Now, a judge ruled previously in a surprise ruling in the fall that Abigail being shot did not fall under a workplace injury. She should not expect that to be part of her job. And so that legal battle is only just beginning. Vicki?
NBC News reporter Julia Jester. Julia, thanks so much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.